And good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you here on what is going to be a very active weekend of weather here in West Michigan. We want you to stay weather ready, so that's why we do have the graphic system turned red today, and that will continue into the day tomorrow as well. Now, this morning on live Doppler radar, we are tracking some scattered showers, some pockets of locally heavy rainfall. Nothing severe out there, but you certainly may be in some areas hearing a few rumbles of thunder. Some locally heavy rainfall from Muskegon County up toward Ludington, Manistee, heading into Newaygo County right now, out over Lake Michigan and back to the west. All this associated with a frontal system that is going to be moving in our direction. Now, we're in the warm sector of this system during the course of the day today, so that will have our temperatures up to around the 70-degree mark. In fact, feels very mild out there this morning with readings in the 50s to around 60 degrees, on our way to highs again today near the 70-degree mark. So we're tracking pockets of showers and thunderstorms. The entire day is not going to be a complete washout. In fact, we're going to see several dry hours from late morning through at least the middle to tail end of the afternoon, and then widespread heavy rain comes our way tonight into the day tomorrow. Tomorrow will be windy and much cooler as we see high temperatures make it only into the upper 50s. Here's a look again at the satellite radar composite. A lot of lightning out there in this particular area from Oceana County back into Muskegon County and out over the central part of Lake Michigan. All this as a very strong cold front gets set to work through the area, and as that arrives here in West Michigan, it is going to be generating more showers and thunderstorms across the area. So the front itself isn't going to be moving through at least for the next several hours, and as we're on the eastern side of that front, that's where those temperatures are going to be again on the warm side today. Here's a look at the future track, and as you can see, those rain showers become heavier and more widespread during the overnight period tonight and then into early Sunday morning. During the day tomorrow, we will feature pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall, especially during the first half of the day, and then during the afternoon tomorrow we'll get on the backside of this system. Heaviest of the rain will start to clear out, and that will open the door for that northerly wind to kick in, and that will start to clear our skies out later Sunday night into the day Monday. Monday we're featuring a brand new air mass around. We will see a good deal of sunshine developing on Monday, but those temperatures are going to be much cooler as a result. So again, weather ready alert days today and tomorrow. Today we're in the warm sector with showers and storms, a high near 70 degrees, down into the 50s with widespread rain tonight. Upper 50s will be windy tomorrow with periods of moderate to heavy rain, especially during the first half of the day. By Monday morning, we're down into the 40s with clearing skies. High temps Monday in the low 60s with a good amount of sunshine. And then we'll see just scattered showers with the cooler air setting up shop for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You'll see that those temperatures during the overnight period do stay above the freezing mark, so not looking at frosty conditions next week. By Friday, high temps in the low 60s with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. So next week looks cool. But how about that 8 to 14 day outlook? We actually have a lot of warm air across the central and eastern United States. This takes us into the last week of October, right into the beginning of Halloween weekend, with temperatures that'll be above to even much above average. So likely back into the 60s as we close out the month of October.